Okay, first of all, hi everyone. I am Dr. Shekhar Agnihotri. I am an professor at National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management, Kundli. It's a premier institute which works in the sector of agri-food processing. So all the sectors in which agri-food is working professionals, whether it's D2C market professionals, researcher, academicians, or consultancy project. Okay, so we do deal with that. Okay, and I was really excited to be a part of this CMPL Expo, and it was a great panel, right from the academicians, from the NIFTEM, from different industry people, and we spoke a lot about what uh, what future we could foresee in terms of sustainable packaging material, because nowadays there's a hype that okay, we should transform from the plastic material into sustainable packaging material. So we have discussed that not only getting a good alternative of a packaging material, but also how we can minimize, recycle and reuse of the plastic material. Specifically for the food packaging material, there are few characteristics which are required, and we discuss a lot about it, that how these properties can be harnessed with the use of bio-based packaging material, how not only we can reduce the food waste, but also we can valorize the biomass, like how we can convert this waste which we consider as a food waste into a value added biochemicals. So this is what has been discussed. I think it's been great audience, and I think for the since the last, in the morning also we have seen that okay, a couple of audiences and various couple of people we have interacted with, and they were really excited. And I think CMPL Expo is gaining its recognition not only to India but I think globally also, and we would love to have much more agendas and much more sectors which are being taken care in this expo. I think first of all, be with yourself and the perseverance. Okay, many times success, I foresee that okay, it's not about what you were aiming for and you achieved. It is something sometimes God or supernatural power gives you something alternatives which could pave much more beneficial pathway. So like throughout my journey, I've seen that failure gave me better aspects in terms of whatever I was achieving for. Okay, and similarly the packaging material, sometimes when you don't get what you deserve for, I think God has given you something else, and ultimately it leads to the better pathway of your success. And while we were discussing about sustainable packaging material, the technology which we developed in at NIFTEM, where the bio-based packaging material which can totally overrule the packaging industry. I think it's something which came just not by this. We had a lot of failures, but eventually we came up with good success, and I think it's gaining importance in various industries looking forward for the transformation of this technology, scaling up of. I think the future is something which is we are constantly looking for, and yes, the success is your perseverance and be with yourself. I think future is bright for not only the organizers but the consumers, industry professionals, which because see, these all are interconnected with each other. And because I've also seen the last session, at that point of time I was a visitor, this time I was a panelist. Okay, so I can see that okay, they have a good bonding between their consumers, they know that what is the trend. Okay, and they can also foresee the future. And I hope that in next future, in next couple of new sessions which is going on in future, definitely I think they will come up with much more commodities, much more sector which is being included in this. But still I feel that okay, with the current session also of CMPL Expo is, I think it's phenomenal. Okay, I really enjoyed it. I think since the morning, and I'll be here for the next 2 days. I mean tomorrow also, and probably it will. I mean all will get benefited. It's phenomenal, phenomenal.